Hello students, today's discussion topic is that how to get 100 percentile in maths in April 2023 JEE Main. So everybody, this is extremely crucial and very crucial topic. The reason is that it is related to the mathematics. Now you can ask me, sir, since mathematics, that is why it is the crucial topic. No everyone, if you just analyze the 2020 onward papers, you see one thing, that the difficulty level is above average. Moreover, with difficulty, this is the papers are lengthy, and even there are some papers in 2020 also, 2022, which are higher than some advanced questions. So it is not very hard to get the chance in just to get the 100 percentile in JEE Main mathematics. And everybody, as you know that as the difficulty level increases, by solving the less number of questions, we can just get the higher percentile. So today's discussion topic will divide into some points, but remember one thing, to achieve 100 percentile score in JEE April, you need to have the clear understanding of the concept. It means everybody, the basic concept should be extremely clear, and strong problem solving skill. It means what? It means by seeing the sum, you have the capacity to solve the sum. So everybody, let us discuss with some point by point, some tips. Now one question you can ask me, that what are the factors affecting, or what are the factors to get 100 percentile? So let us discuss just topic or factors one by one to get the 100 percentile. And everybody, if we can maintain this, if we can listen to this, definitely you can get your goal. So let's start. First of all, you have to practice regularly, which is the most important and fast portion, fast part, fast condition for getting 100 percentile. So everybody, practice regularly, solve more and more PYQ. In this respect, I will tell you one thing, just if you solve PYQ after 2020, it is more than enough, and you have to solve lot of full length mock test papers, then only you can identify which is your weak area, and you can improve your problem solving skill easily. Next, another area is that you have to focus on the strong area. So identify your strong areas and focus on them to score the maximum marks. Also try to work on your weak areas to improve your overall score. So everybody, what does it mean? It means that just total area to get the 100 percentile, nowadays there are lot of papers. So to solve all the sums, we should have the mentality that you have to solve all the sums. It means all the areas, weak area, strong area, it does not matter, you have to be comfortable in all places. So mainly the area where maximum number of questions will be coming, that part also you have to practice, as well as you have to improve your overall score. So another important point is that you have to study the quality study material. So I will not tell you, with respect to the mathematics, I will not tell you to study the NCERT, but then also I will tell you to study, just to keep NCERT beside you. With this, you study some standard level material to strengthen your concept. So everyone, let us go to the another point, another important point towards achieving your 100 percentile is the analyze your performance. So everyone, analyze your performance regularly. How to analyze your performance? Give lot of quality mock tests, then only you can analyze where the area, in which area you have to improve, and work on your weakness to perform the better in the examination. And most vital of all points is the time management. Everybody, time management is the key to the success in JEE April examination. Practice solving problem within the given time limit and For this, you have to practice the standard papers, and not only just one chapter wise, you have to practice the mixed papers, and just by practicing the standard quality papers, you can improve your speed and accuracy. And finally, stay healthy and stress free, take breaks and do regular exercise and eat balanced diet to maintain your physical and mental strength. So everybody, just what I want to tell you, remember one thing, just if you can maintain all these steps, you must gain your confidence. And lastly, confidence is everything, everybody. When you have confidence that I can do this, you must get, and definitely you can get 100 percentile. Bye everyone.